My name is Agustina Pratiwi. You can call me Diri. I was born in Malang on 24 August 1999. So now I am 26 years old. I am teacher. I have taught for 3 years at the Middle Elementary School. I live in Malang, Karangploso. I love to spend my time for reading and cooking because it is my hobby. I'm from Malang, so my ethnicity Java. Well, that's all about